Hi, it's Kevin Donlin with a tip to grow your American business by listening to your clients. The story of Alfred Fuller should interest you. He went from semi-literate farm boy in 1903 to super salesman in 1906. It was that year, with a $375 investment, that he started his Fuller Brush Company in Hartford, Connecticut, selling brushes door to door. You can learn a lot from his story, which you'll find in the book The Supersalesmen. And on page 28, it says, almost entirely, the ideas that resulted in the steady growth of his business came from customers. Alfred Fuller's genius lay in his ability to elicit information about cleaning problems from the women of Hartford and then solve the problems they posed, giving the ladies one new product after another. By 1919, Fuller brush sales were over $1 million a year. That's more than $14 million in today's dollars. So the bottom line is this: your clients can make you rich by telling you what they want to buy. Who knew? One more thing, if you like these ideas, please claim your free client cloning kit at www.clientcloningsystems.com.